Hi guys, welcome back to Borla Chefs. My name is Colleen and today we're going to share with you a juice recipe. So we juice in our household every single day, every single morning, and that's how we start our day. So we want to share that with you. This juice recipe is super easy. All you need are 4 ingredients. We're going to start with a celery stick, then goes a cucumber, then goes lime, and then finally it's going to be an apple. And for the lime, you'll see in the video that we're going to show you, we've actually just peeled the lime, but you're going to keep the white lime on there because they actually have some health benefits. So that's it, 4 ingredients, a juicer, and that's all you need. Hope you like this recipe, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe us. Thank you.
For a green juice that actually tastes good, you just need the 4 ingredients as I mentioned before. So you've got 1 celery stick, cucumber, half a lime in which you have peeled, and an apple. Please do use lime in this recipe. It just works with the flavors. And we're just going to take a juicer and we're going to start with, in this order, we're going to start with first the celery, then goes the cucumber, followed up with the lime, and then the apple. Everybody knows that celery is great for, anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. But the white membranes on the lime, which we left, intact on the lime itself, also are very high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So here's your refreshing, healthy, and a green juice that actually tastes good, and you'll be coming back for more.